Hi, my name is Scott Crane. I am the general manager at Morton Steakhouse here at the Boston Seaport, set right on the beautiful Boston Harbor. Spectacular day outside, although you can't see it today. It's absolutely beautiful outside of the boat races and all the harbor. Today we're going to talk about another thing that we do at the restaurant, besides for steak, which we obviously do very well, it's our seafood. Today I'm going to show you a shrimp and scallop brochette that will make your grill sizzle and make a wonderful treat for you and your family. What we've done, locally sourced shrimp and scallops, bay scallops. If you go to the fishmonger, you get the very best, biggest size you have. You're looking for a nice translucent color, obviously no odor for either the shrimp or the scallop. You want to clean the shrimp, make sure it's deveined, completely clean, washed, and ready to go. And simply use a metal skewer, or if you're going to use bamboo skewers, which a lot of people use at home, make sure and soak those in water prior to grilling. Otherwise, you're going to have yourself a problem, okay? So really what we're going to do is we're going to have 3 shrimp and 2 scallops. Very simply seasoned, just a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper on both sides. And then we're going to add it to our grill. Now, 2 different ways. You either have a gas grill at home that's going to take a very short amount of time, or if you're using charcoal, it may take a little bit longer, but personally I do like the flavor the charcoal emits to the seafood. It really adds that smoky, rich flavor. Gas grill is going to take only about 3 or 4 minutes aside. A charcoal maybe about 5 minutes aside when you start to cook. It's important that you also want to make sure and brush your grill before you put the seafood on with maybe just a little bit of olive oil or a little bit of salad oil to prevent it sticking. Along with our sea scallops and shrimp skewer, a great accompaniment, one thing we use at the restaurant is a sauce Beurre Blanc, a very easy butter sauce made with a little bit of shallot, a little bit of white wine. Simply put, you want to take shallots and butter, start to cook them to the onions or the shallots become a little bit of translucent. Then you want to add about a half a cup to a full cup of white wine, just depending upon the amount of sauce that you want to make. A little bit of seasoning with a little bit of salt, a little bit of white pepper. Once that's reduced, you want to then add a little bit of heavy cream. It doesn't take a lot. It can be half and half or heavy cream, whatever you have. Once it's reduced by half, you want to pull it off the flame and add butter, the same amount that you've added for the heavy cream. That will thicken the sauce, add a smooth, rich consistency to it. And then the best part of Beurre Blanc, it's a very neutral sauce. You can make it into anything you like. You can make it into what we're going to do today, which is a roasted red pepper Beurre Blanc. If you prefer cilantro, basil, chive, whatever you like, you can infuse that into the sauce very easily by adding the fresh herbs right into the mixture. All right, our skewer is almost done. We're time to set it up for the guests. First thing we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of the roasted red pepper Beurre Blanc. See the beautiful consistency here. I'm going to leave a little bit of the chunk in there. You just want to let them know what it is. Should be a nice little kind of an orange reddish color. Just a little simple dollop or 2 in the plate. Take our skewer right off. Obviously being very careful, especially if you're using metal skewers. Now the shrimp and scallops, you want to leave them a little bit underdone in the middle. Should be a little bit of translucent. You don't want to overcook them. They become very rubbery if you do. We'll just set our plate. Also for a little color, especially during the summertime, it's a great accompaniment. Add a little bit. You can either add some of the roasted red pepper that you had that you used originally, or I'm using a little bit of Roma tomato found readily in pretty much any supermarket you're looking for. Or once again, just any vegetable that you like, that your friends might like. Just a little bit of fresh lemon, pepper, and a little fresh parsley. And you look like a chef in the restaurant. Shrimp and scallop skewers.